Well, good day, ladies and gentlemen. We're over here at the Dairy Cream here in town. Yeah, look at that. Got the whole family over here. We're gonna have us what, lunch? Something like that. Yeah, my son is coming over there. Yeah, and it looks like it was the sensor for our truck. I was over there earlier when he changed it, and we tested it, and it seems to be working now. So we'll see. We're just gonna have lunch here, and then I'll be taking off here in a few minutes to go to Texas. Yes, indeed. So a little bit of snowy conditions out there, so the roads are a little slick. But hey, we'll give it a shot, and hopefully we can get out of this storm soon. Go to Texas where it's nice and warm, right? Yeah.
Get some burritos, yeah.
I might get some burritos, yeah, you never know. I am finally in the United States of America, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I've been giving her here for a little bit. Went ahead and got out of town a little bit earlier than I was originally scheduled out to, because because of the weather that you guys can actually see. It's actually starting to get a little slick. I mean, it's not super slick, but it is a little bit. So I just went ahead and picked up my truck early. Truck was ready early, so I didn't have to wait too long. The load was ready early. All of that stuff was ready to go. So here we are, back on the road. Where we are going to a place where it's going to be nice and warm, I'm hoping. Going to Carlton, Texas, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed. Hopefully we're not going to be seeing any of this white stuff over there. I suspect we won't, but hey, you never know, right? Sometimes they do get a snowstorm going through there, but generally, not much, right? And if they do, generally it's gone within a few hours, right? Or maybe a day if they get a little bit more snow. But yeah, generally within a few days they got no more snow, and that's what we're looking for. It's been a while since I've been in Texas. I think it's been since last year in August since I've been since I went to the truck show, right? I think that's the last time I was in Dallas, or in Texas, I mean. And I was supposed to go to Houston, but then they got flooded over there, so we couldn't even go to Houston at the time. But hopefully this time I'll be able to go to Houston and pick up a load if that's where they want me to go. You never know where they want you to go, right? And then we'll pick up a load and go wherever they send us, right? Usually we got a load out of Houston or somewhere in that area going to Madison Hat, Alberta, so that would be a really nice trip. I guarantee you that. But anyways, here we are. I don't know how far we're going to go tonight, but we're going to go a couple hours down the road, that's for sure. I feel great tonight. The sun will probably be going down here in a minute or two, because it's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, we got about 2.5 hours up to Fargo. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to go up to Fargo tonight. Call it a day. I know this is only going to be a short video. I know it already, because we made it to Fargo here last night, and this is actually the next morning when I'm finishing off this video. Yeah, so we had us a great night's sleep, and it was quite a busy day here at home, so that's one of the reasons why I didn't have much to show you guys on today's vlog. I was over at the shop, making sure my truck was getting done and all that, and hoping that the oil pressure thing there was only going to be the sensor, and my mechanic didn't really want to believe that it was just a sensor. He looked it up on the computer, and nowadays mechanics, everything is going on the computer, and drivers like us don't know anything kind of deal. It's always oh, we gotta look in the computer what the code says. All right, and so he looks in the computer, and according to his idea, it should be the wire. And I said, I am not too sure. I'm pretty sure if there was a wire issue over time I would have had issues with it, and I haven't. So I said, I don't think so. Sure enough, this boy was right. It was the sensor. It was nothing to do with the wire. Wire is good. It's worked all, since he changed the sensor, it's worked all the 4 hours to get up here. It's still working this morning. So yeah, I guess you could say I know a thing or two too. I know this truck, right? So I know how it behaves and whatever, right? But anyways, so I was over there, you know, making sure all that stuff got done, and finally he got that done and changed the sensor, and everything was good to go. So I got him to change the oil filter and diesel filters as well. That way, you know, I was almost due anyway, so I figured, I may as well get it done, and that way I don't have to go in on the next trip when I come home again, right? So we'll see. Hopefully everything goes well. It's kind of snowing up here right now. I don't really like that too much, but what can I do, right? What can I say? It's winter, right? What do you expect? Anyways, we're gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed today's little short vlog anyhow, and we'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have a bit of a longer one. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.